Phase 2 of the bridge project. Show you what we're doing today. Boards up here, but you can see that the underneath of this bridge is all disintegrated. So we're gonna, these boards are set right to the bottom of the bridge, so that'll be our corner. We can make a nice corner again on the whole edge of this bridge. And we got this side and then the other side to do today. Final walkthrough video. Everything turned out really super good. You can see nice clean corner there. Remember, this was all missing before. We did both sides here. We did some fixing on the pier here too. On right there, it was kind of busted out, so we just kind of shaped it back in for him too. But the main objective was the bridge, and everything turned out super good. The boards are all stripped. Everything's super nice. You can see here. I'll give you a shot of the underneath.